Describe the process of synthesis, secretion, and action of acetylcholine during synaptic transmission. UPSC IFS 2020 mains question. Acetylcholine is a potent neurotransmitter in both central and peripheral nervous system, particularly released at the neuromuscular junction or motor end. This chiefly excitatory neurotransmitter is synthesized in cytosol of presynaptic neuron by combination of acetyl coenzyme with choline under presence of enzyme acetyltransferase. The choline in turn is sourced from most abundant phospholipid of the membrane, the phosphatidylcholine or lecithin. The acetylcholine is secreted from synaptic neuron in response to action potential or wave of depolarization. The mechanism of secretion and action of acetylcholine in synaptic transmission can be described as following steps. Step 1, arrival of action potential at presynaptic neuron. Step 2, opening of voltage-gated calcium channel at the presynaptic membrane and influx of calcium. Step 3, the calcium fuses to synaptic vesicle causing its mobilization towards the synaptic membrane. Step 4, the synaptic vesicle undergoes exocytosis and release of acetylcholine in the synaptic junction. Next, coming to step 5 and 6. Step 5 and 6, the acetylcholine binds ligand-gated sodium-potassium or cation channel of the postsynaptic membrane, causing influx of sodium ion into the postsynaptic membrane and traveling of action potential to the next neuron. Step 7. The acetylcholine is released in the synapse, breaks down to acetyl and choline by action of acetylcholine esterase and gets endocytosed by the presynaptic neuron itself. In the conclusion, you can write that there are several psychostimulants like nicotine that binds to acetylcholine receptors and elicits responses. You can also add on that Alzheimer's disease or the myasthenia gravis disease that is related to neuromuscular junction is related to that of dysfunction in acetylcholine receptors itself. So, thank you so much.